Hi everyone, I am Ravikantsharma. So in this particular video, we are going to learn about what is HTML element, what is an empty element, and the concept of nested HTML element. In the last, we will see the body tag. In the whole HTML code, firstly we have to declare the document type. The document type is used to declare that our document is of HTML type. So this is doc type. Then we have the HTML tag, and it is also called as the root element of the document body because all the content of the HTML document is put inside the HTML tag. So what is HTML element? An HTML element is an element with having start tag, some content, and an end tag. Example of HTML element is heading tag, paragraph tag. Heading tag start from H1 to H6. H1 represent the most important heading and H6 represent the least important heading. Now let's put the heading from H1 to H6. As you can see, the head tag and the body tag are nested inside the main HTML tag, and the heading tag is nested inside the body tag. Here heading, body, and head tag are the nested HTML elements. So this is the concept of nested HTML elements. I hope you are able to understand it. To open the live server, just right click and there is an option open with live server. As you can see, there are 6 different types of heading in the browser that are created using the heading tag from H1 to H6. The next tag is paragraph tag. A paragraph in a HTML document is defined using the p tag. Now let's run this code in the browser. Open with live server, and you can see there is a paragraph in the browser window. Now what is an empty element? An element which does not have any content inside it is called an empty element. Or empty element does not have any end tag, so that's why it is called an empty element. Example is br tag. Br tag is used for a line break in a HTML document. Here there are 2 line breaks in between the first paragraph and the second paragraph. Now we will learn about the body tag. The body tag defines the document body. The content inside the body tag is displayed to the browser, or we can say that the content only inside the body tag is visible to the user. The content other than the body tag will not be visible to the user. This is the concept of body tag. Okay friends, this is it for now. If you have any kind of suggestion for me, please let me know. And thank you so much for watching this video.